And together we're making a video called Ratchet and Clank.
Tools of Destruction, Part 1, Planet Kerwan?
Yeah, it's like Korean.
Please write in the comments how we pronounce that. I really do not know how to pronounce it.
And plus, trying to get this up to at least 50 views, or 30, and up to 3 likes is cool. Because since this is a video.
That makes sense. Yeah.
So, yep, and plus, Jaden Edwards is going to be playing the game while I'm going to be recording it.
Back up a little bit so we can. Alright.
And here we go. Boom.
Welcome back, customer 91802. If you're looking to combat a massive, deadly space armada, the Gadgetron Help Desk will be happy to assist.
You see that he's a beast in this.
I'm the best ever at playing. If you try to kill me, I will kill you.
But when he plays PlayStation PlayStation Battle Royale. Yeah, All Stars Battle Royale. Thanks.
I'm a beast.
Yup, he's really awesome with Ratchet and Clank. When it comes to me, I'm good with Kratos for some reason. I'm good with the God of Destruction. But let's get back to this.
Also,
wait.
In a while, I will be making. I do have God of War Origins collection. I do have that, and I will be making a video of that too.
And plus, like on my Instagram page, Hilton, is I'm a Transformia 10 that I have it in my bio that I'm going to be posting Naruto to Ninja Storm 4 vids in the future. When it comes out, I pre-ordered it, and I'm going to post some gameplay of me playing with Naruto, the last characters, and mainly just Naruto and the story mode in general. So everybody is to enjoy the show.
Access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
The only problem with this game is that it doesn't have the auto thing you do, just like in Ratchet, just like an All for One.
Oh yeah, the All for One was pretty cool. How you have double, like the multiplayer gameplay was amazing.
Where you can actually shoot the combustor at him, and it could cause like an explosion, which is really kind of cool.
And plus, I love the boss battles. When you fought with all 10, they were beautiful.
Also,
the graphics were just amazing.
I will be making videos of Just Cause 3. Even though this is a PS3, I will be playing on my father's PS4.
And really, sooner or later, I'm going to...
If he really let me play on it, but he might.
Oh. But sooner or later, I'm going to be posting some... Well, I don't know. I'm going to be playing some videos.
Doesn't it just look like Sonic and...
yeah, it's
Sonic Adventure 2?
Yeah, it looks like Sonic Generations when they be gliding. It looks just like a lot of Sonic games when you be grinding on it. That's exactly what it looks like. Except the thing with it that it was spikes, not electricity. I like the way the enemies look. The graphics look so amazing in this. So guys, we're going to be posting like parts of it, like this part 1, and they're all going to be 5 minutes long.
I died.
And he died. And here he will start it over again. And that's not good. Sometimes it is, this time it's not. Bruh. This time he got it.
I ran out of combustion shots. So I will kill you with a melee attack.
And another minute of this and the video's over.
What are we going to do to the level completed?
No, not.
Huh?
Wait, what?
We're going to do this until the level's completed.
Nope. Because it's going to take too much out of my gigabytes to post this. It won't be that long.
It won't take that long, bro.
If I only got like 3 gigabytes worth, I'll put it on for like 10 or 15 minutes. That takes like 2.95 gigabytes.
What about 3 minutes? That's not long it really take.
Alright guys, we got like 1 more minute after 6, and that's it.
3 minutes.
And 2 more minutes after this. No, just 1 more minute now. And so we're going to have to go right back from where we left off.
I might be finished. I'm happy because we're skating. I'm happy. But I might die because it's fighting. Oh my god.
Pull over, yo!
I'm a trickster.
Oh! Oh my god, that is such a freaking glitch! Ouch. Alright guys, it's almost nearly at time for the video to be over. So about 1 more minute, then that's it. How long does it take for you to do this?
I would say about 3 minutes.
3 more minutes after this? Oh no. Cause we ain't got that, cause I ain't got too much long.
To be here?
No, not to be here, but I ain't got too much longer for this to take a lot out of my gigabytes. And he died, so we'll continue from this. Alright, bye.